In this video, we are going to see how to make bootable pendrive. The bootable pendrive help us to get out from trouble, like when we stuck on depth of blue screen, or when we want to format our PC, or when we want to load a new operating system in our PC. Let's see the contents first. We need to download Rufus, which is a popular bootable software, and Windows 7 or 10 image file. Download link is given in the description, check it out. We have some requirements, make sure you are ready with it. First, a pen drive of 8 GB minimum. Second, the image file of operating system, like Windows 7 or Windows 10. Use the pause button to understand clearly. Now let's do practically. Okay, this is my pen drive of 32 GB. Let me show you its properties. It is using some space, and some space is free. We need to format it for better work. Right click on pen drive and choose format. Click on restore device, default, and press OK. After few seconds, you will get format complete message. Press OK and close it. Check your pen drive is now empty. Now, open any browser and search for Rufus. R-U-F-U-S. Click on the first link and open it. It's very simple to download, and it's a less than 5 MB of file. Now, click on Rufus to download it. You will get this file in your download folder. Okay, now open the downloaded Rufus software. Double click and open it. It don't need installation process. We have to change only these two. Select the pen drive in first, then choose the image file in second, then leave everything as defaults. Here, I already downloaded Windows 7 image file. Below is a link to download Windows 7, or search on YouTube how to download Windows 7 or Windows 10. Now select your pen drive from drop down. Then click on select and locate Windows 7 and press OK button. After getting ready message, then click on start and then OK. Now it will take some time. It took me 15 minutes to complete. After completing this process you will get success message. Sorry for not showing success message because I closed that window mistakenly. Now let's confirm our booting. Open the pen drive and see the files. We created Windows 7 bootable pen drive. Using this method we can create bootable pen drive of any operating system like Kali Linux bootable pen drive or Windows 10 bootable pen drive, Parrot Secretary bootable pen drive. Select the pen drive in first, then choose the image file in second, then leave everything as defaults. That's it. If you want to see this tutorial in your language, search gbprat and click on gbprat.com. To read this page in your own language, click on translate button for your region language. That's it. Thank you for watching.